Start para. This appeal by special leave is directed against the judgment and order dated 2/12/2010 passed by the High Court of Bombay at Bombay in Criminal Appeal number 252 of 2005, whereby the High Court dismissed Criminal Appeal number 252 of 2005 filed by the appellant. Full stop para. Be it stated that the aforesaid criminal appeal was preferred against the judgment and order dated 15/10/2004 passed by the first ad hoc additional district and sessions judge, Thane in bracket session judge bracket close in sessions case number 52 of 2004, whereby and whereunder appellant was convicted under section 302 of the Indian Penal Code, 1861 in bracket IPC bracket close, and sentenced to suffer rigorous imprisonment for life and to pay fine of rupees 1000 in default to suffer rigorous imprisonment for 3 months. Full stop para. Prosecution case in brief is that appellant lived with deceased Manda. It was a live-in relationship. Full stop. Both of them were living in a chawl of PW1. Ravinder, who was the landlord. Full stop. Appellant informed PW1 that his wife had expired and that he was going to her parents' house at village to inform them. Full stop. Thereafter, appellant along with his son went to village where appellant met the brother of the deceased, Bhagwan, that is PW3. Full stop. Appellant told PW3 in the presence of Shankar, PW6, PW5 and Chanda, PW4, that there was a quarrel between him and Manda, following which he had assaulted Manda, who succumbed to the injuries. Full stop para. Before the appellant could come back to his village along with the relatives of the deceased, PW1 had already opened the door of the house, which was bolted from outside. Full stop. On opening of the door, PW1 noticed that Manda was lying dead with multiple bleeding injuries. Full stop. Her Mangalsutra and glass bangles were broken. Some of the household articles were strewn around on the ground. Full stop. When appellant reached the place of incident along with the relatives of the deceased Manda, PW1 inquired from him about the incident. Full stop. At that stage, appellant told PW1 that deceased Manda had suspected that he was having illicit relation with some other woman. Full stop. This resulted in a quarrel in the court of which appellant had assaulted Manda with the help of a grinding stone and a stick. Full stop. PW1 then lodged first information report before the police station, whereunder offence under section 302 IPC was registered against the appellant. Full stop. Investigating officer carried out the investigation, in the course of which he drew inquest panchanama, spot panchanama, and made seizure of various articles from the place of incident. Full stop. Appellant was arrested. Full stop. The weapon of assault was seized. Full stop. On completion of investigation, charge sheet was filed against the appellant, charging him for committing an offence punishable under section 302 IPC. Full stop para. Learned Sessions Judge read over and explained the charge to the appellant, to which he pleaded not guilty and claimed to be tried. Full stop. To prove its case, prosecution examined 10 witnesses. Full stop. It was a case of circumstantial evidence. Full stop. Prosecution relied upon the extrajudicial confession of the appellant made before PW1, PW3, PW4 and PW6. Full stop. After considering the evidence on record, learned sessions judge void the judgment and order dated 15/10/2004 convicted the appellant under section 302 IPC and sentenced him to undergo rigorous imprisonment for life and also pay fine of rupees 1000 in default to suffer rigorous imprisonment for another 3 months. Stop.